Hello everyone, facing issues with your Victorola record player's Bluetooth. In this video, we will walk you through quick and effective solutions to reconnect effortlessly. Let's fix it together. To fix Victorola record player Bluetooth not working, ensure proper pairing and compatibility, reset the Bluetooth connection and, if needed, perform a factory reset by holding the knob for 15 seconds or selecting factory reset in the app. Why Victorola record player Bluetooth not working and proper pairing or a faulty Bluetooth connection, such as not following the correct pairing steps or unstable connections between devices. Bluetooth compatibility issues where the connected device may not support the necessary Bluetooth protocols for the Victorola player, network or software issue, including outdated software interference or problems connecting to Wi-Fi or SNOS speakers when using Victorola stream models. Fix 1. Ensure proper pairing. Make sure you have followed the correct pairing procedure as per your model's manual. Put the turntable in Bluetooth pairing mode and select it from your device's Bluetooth list. If it's not showing up, try turning Bluetooth off and on again on both devices. Fix 2. Check Bluetooth compatibility. Confirm that your Bluetooth device supports the necessary Bluetooth profile compatibility with your Victorola player. Some older devices might not work properly. Fix 3. Reduce interference and distance. Move your Bluetooth device and turntable closer together within about 1 meter initially for pairing. Keep away from other electronic devices that might cause interference. Fix 4. Update software and firmware. Use the Victorola Stream app to check for and install any available updates for your turntable. Also update your Bluetooth device's software if possible. Open the App Store on iOS or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Victorola Stream. If an update is available, tap Update. Wait for the update to finish installing. Open the Victorola Stream app to use the latest version. Fix 5. Reset Bluetooth connection. Perform a soft reset by powering the turntable off. Press knob for 5 seconds until it flashes white twice and then powering it on again. If issue persists, perform a hard reset by holding the knob for 15 seconds until it flashes red, or use the factory reset option in the Victorola app. You will need to set up the device again after this. Fix 6. Factory reset if needed. If problem persists, perform a factory reset in the Victorola Stream app. Select factory reset under additional settings or press and hold the illuminated knob on the turntable for 15 seconds until it flashes red. Fix 7. Confirm your model supports Bluetooth output. Note that many Victorola suitcase players only have a Bluetooth input to play music from your phone to the player, not Bluetooth output to send audio from the player to Bluetooth speakers. Bluetooth output is available only on select models like Eastwood, Allington, Journey Plus, and Canvas. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.